Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great, and I'm so excited to take you on a day in the life as an entrepreneur and take you to work with me. I'm also excited that this video is sponsored by my friends at PayPal because they're an important part of my business. So my day starts out pretty early. By 7:30 a.m., I'm outside walking good old Bentley and Albert, or should I say they are basically walking me. But this is such an important part of my day because I'm not a morning person, but I need to get motivated. I need to wake up, and being outside helps me do that. I then go get them settled into the house, and then I'm headed to the office. Now, one thing about me is, again, because I'm not a morning person, I'm using that time, that drive to the office to motivate myself and give myself those, important affirmations to have a very productive and a fun day. And so I'm really not thinking about work things. I'm more so thinking about how to inspire myself. And then when I reach the office, I am pretty much good to go and ready to start my day.
Oh, it looks so good. How you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good. So we are in the new office, and this right here is actually going to be my office. So I have a private entrance, and it's a little bigger. I think it's a little bigger than my current office, so not too much, but it's good growth. And then I'm on towards the back of the office now. So when I'm, I'll just kind of be further back, which is a good thing. Right here will be my business manager's office, aka Mike. Many of you know Mike. And so his office is actually in here. And so that way we have a door that connects our office, and then he has another door that goes out of here. Right here leads to the conference room. So I really wanted a lot of light to come into the conference room because I wanted it to really be a bright space. You'll notice that I asked that they paint all the walls white because you guys know when I walk into my business, I want it to be very bright and inspiring, and so that you can think, you're not overwhelmed with things. And so I really strive for that. I said they're going to bust down this wall, make it one office, and it's just the perfect amount of growth. It's not too huge, but it's just enough space that we need to grow the way that we need to grow. So I'm going to head back to my office now because I have a session that I have to get into, and it's exciting seeing how this is coming along. And so the joys of filming while you're in the middle of construction, while you're in the middle of serving clients. Welcome to At Home with Nikki. So I'm getting ready to jump into my first session of the day, and I have to say this is one of my favorite things to do, is to have sessions whether virtually or in home with my clients, because organizing is my passion. And one thing that is important for me is not to worry about the back end things that have to take place in order to get us to the point where we're meeting. And so one feature that I love about PayPal is the fact that, I like to create my own forms because I'm very detail oriented in the information that I need to get from clients. And so by creating the forms, I wanted, because they're online, I needed them to be integrated with the billing. And so because PayPal is so friendly to all of the different applications out there, it makes it so simple. I have never had a situation where I had a program that I was using that PayPal would not integrate with the program. And so it makes it simple because my team can complete client intakes, take the payment via PayPal, and our clients are all, when they hear PayPal, they know that it's secure and they're happy with it. So I have a moment in between sessions, and I want to go ahead and order my desk. And this is the desk I have been eyeing for my new office because my desk is going to be going to the new employees. And so I get the opportunity to kind of upgrade a little bit with my desk. And so this one here, I love the chrome and the glass and the simplicity of it. It's going to be beautiful, and it is on sale now. So what I love, and this is one of the things I love about PayPal, is because often I don't have a lot of time to get things like this done. So it allows me to just be able to easily kind of go through, purchase my items, and by having the ability to really use PayPal, I don't have to dig out a credit card or, have to go through alternative ways. And I know that it's a secure way to check out. So PayPal, it is my best friend when it comes to kind of helping me get those purchases done really quickly and securely. Okay, so let's knock out some of the things that we wanted to talk about before I get gone again. Is Kate going to do the render for the one rack card where she puts what is she putting on the rack card? What are the three?
So she's doing with the render, the floor plan, as well as like a little brief shopping list.
And she's going to put it all on the front of the card? But I would love to see all three of those on there so that the customer can clearly see what they would be getting with their service. They get a visual, because I'm a visual person, so let's give them that visual. Yes, I think about food a lot.
No,
I think about food.
I was going to say, like, you didn't understand that, so just kind of.
So did everyone go to lunch already?
They did.
What did you have?
I had pizza.
Oh, I think I want. Okay, I'm just gonna order Philly cheese.
Hey, Nikki, so you need to block out on your calendar today to look at it because there has been more interviews scheduled for the 19th and 20th.
Okay, but I'll go put them on my planner. I have not really been able to dig into my emails yet, and that's something that I really need to do today because we're getting late into the day and I need to follow up on things, or my email, it just gets out of control. So I am running a little behind on that, and so that is one of the things I do also struggle with, especially when we have other stuff going on in a heavy day. So let's get some food in that belly. I'm getting some food in my belly. And
So I'm getting ready to round down my work day and head home. But one thing that I love looking at the end of the day is kind of a report of the incoming revenue for the day. And that's always fun for me to see the growth in the day. And I love PayPal's funds now because that is my payment processing source, which is awesome as a small business owner.
I really enjoyed taking you on my day today, and I look forward to seeing you at the next video. Do not forget to check out PayPal, especially if you're a small business owner and even for your everyday life. It works great. So I'll put the link in the description box below. I hope you all have a beautiful day. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.